Hi y'all, it's Charlene from the Crafty Art Shack. Today we're going to talk about what this channel is all about. It's about having fun. It's about crafting and learning new techniques and enjoying ourselves along the way. Do we make mistakes? Yes, we make lots of them. If you've watched some of our other videos, you know. It's about learning new craft techniques and enjoying crafting while we do it in a relaxed atmosphere where we don't feel like we have to be perfect. What kind of videos do we produce? We produce videos, we do junk journaling, we do stamp making and tool making for our junk journaling. What else do? We do painting crafts. We do crafts for kids. And we do sewing crafts. And we do sewing videos and so much more, to include painting. And put up new videos at least once a week, if not more. Here lately we've been putting up quite a few, if you've noticed. But we hope you'll join us here at the Crafty Art Shack and learn crafting techniques with us as we go through this life's journey. Bye!
Crafty Art Shack. Charlene, why are you wearing that hat? I'm wearing this hat because it made you look. Okay, let's get. We're gonna be having videos come out for kids, and then no, you don't have